Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to change the placement of your discount box. We need an anchor for the discount box to find, so let's start by picking that out. The default placement is okay, but let's say I wanted to move it under the subtotal. I'm going to right click that area and select Inspect from the drop down menu. It can look like a lot, but we mainly care about the section that's initially highlighted. Here's the element that I want as the anchor, so I'll right click it, highlight copy from the drop down menu, and click on the copy selector option. After, I'll go to my discount app settings and find the anchor field in the setup section. I'll paste in the selector I copied and hit save. We'll go back to the cart page and refresh to see the updates. Now the discount box is under the subtotal. Thanks for watching and I hope it helped.